Welcome to the pre-market report of 36/2022. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 15,783. Top CPR is in 15,791 and bottom CPR is in 15,775. R1 placed in 15,878 and R2 placed in 15,957. R3 placed in 16,052. S1 placed in 15,704 and S2 placed in 15,609 and S3 placed in 15,530. The center pivot of Bank Nifty placed around 36,668. Top CPR is in 36,673. Bottom CPR is in 36,662. R1 placed in 36,819 and R2 placed in 36,959, R3 placed in 37,111, S1 placed in 36,528 and S2 placed in 36,376 and S3 placed in 36,236. Let us check the global market first. Yesterday, most of the US market closed in flat condition, except small cap 2000. All the market closed in very flat condition. It doesn't give any direction to our market. Yesterday, most of the European market closed firmly in negative. It gives slight negative direction to our market. Right now, except Chinese market, all the Asian market is in negative direction. It gives slight negative direction to our market. Except Chinese market, all the index is trading in negative. Right now, most of the US and European future is trading in negative direction. It is also giving slight negative direction to our market. Nifty future trading around 15,732. Our previous day close was 15,799. It indicates market going to open more than 60 points gap down. SGS Nifty also trading around 15,742, but SGS Nifty website showing wrong data. It is showing 15,821, but right now SGS Nifty also trading around 15,732. It is also indicating market going to open more than 60 points gap down. Yesterday the foreign institutional investor sold for 851 crores and the domestic institutional investor bought for 847 crores. The overall institutional activity in sell side, but that was not much, so it doesn't give any direction to our market. This is option chain data in NIC website. Here we can see which option has highest open interest. Right now in call side, 16,000 call option has highest open interest. It has 2,32,762 contract in open condition. So 16,000 going to be act as a huge resistance. Option writers believe market won't move beyond 16,000. As well as in put side, 15,000 put option has highest open interest. It has 1,74,443 contract in open condition. So option writers believe market going to be expire between 16,000 to 15,000. But smart people created 15,500 short straddle yesterday. They can sell 15,500 call option as well as 15,500 put option. By collecting the combined premium, they believe market won't break 15,700 in downside as well as 15,950 in upside. As per the yesterday close, FAS has 16% long position in index future and 84% short position in index future. As well as DA has 32% long position in index future and 68% short position in index future. FAS suddenly increases more than 9% in short position as well as reduces more than 9% in long position. It indicates they believe market going to be trend towards down direction after the GDP data. That's why they reduces the long and increases the short position. DA increases the short position slightly. DA also reduces the long position by 4%. A day before yesterday, they have a 36% long. As per the yesterday close, they have a 36% long position. They reduces by 4% and DA reduces by 9%. So it indicates our market going to be trend towards down direction today. So be cautious. Both FAS and DAS reduces the long position, increases the short position. It shows the negative direction of this market. Overall view is yesterday most of the US market closed in flat condition. Yesterday most of the European market closed in negative condition. Right now most of the Asian market is trading in positive. Some of the Asian market is in negative. So the overall global condition was in mixed condition. Right now US and European future is trading in negative. Nifty future and SGS Nifty indicating market going to open more than 60 points gap down. FA is in sell side and DA in buy side. As per the option writers view, market won't move beyond 16,000 in upside as well as 15,700 in downside. This is Nifty chart in trading view. I am always using 5 minutes time frame. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white as well as R1, R2, R3 in green. Previous day high in dotted green, previous day low in dotted red. After that I marked S1, S2, S3 in red. Right now Nifty future and SGS Nifty indicating market going to open somewhere around 15,742. This is just below to center pivot and just above to previous day low as well as S1. I hope market going to be trend towards down direction today because both FAs and DAs increases the short position. It indicates market going to be trend towards down direction. As of now, Nifty future and SGS Nifty showing market going to open slight gap down. Market opens with a slight gap down and took support at S1 and previous day low and bounced back and faced resistance at center pivot and then came down. This is our final conclusion. I hope market opens with a slight gap down and took support at S1 or previous day low and bounced back to the center pivot, and after facing resistance at center pivot it will came down. This is our final conclusion. So don't take any position initially. Market will definitely broke day before yesterday's low and day yesterday low today without fail because the GDP data is very bad. After the European market opens, both US future and European market will fall drastically. So today the market going to be trend towards down direction without fail. So don't take any position initially. Just wait market to retrace up to center pivot or day high. Whenever market face resistance at day high or center pivot, you can buy nearby put option, book your profit at S1 or you can trail up to S2 or S3.